Hello, my name is Andrew. I'm an engineer at Imbue, and I'm going to be showing our new suggestions feature. To enable suggestions, you can go to Settings, Experimental, and toggle the Suggestions switch. Then you'll see this dropdown. The two options in the dropdown are Automatic and Manual. This specifies how frequently suggestions will be generated. When in automatic mode, this means as soon as the agent finishes replying to you, suggestions will be generated by running the verifier. And in the manual mode, this means you get to specify when suggestions are generated when the verifier is ran. I will keep this in manual mode just for the sake of showing kind of what that flow looks like. So the project I'm working on currently is my personal website, but there are a couple of things that I want to make sure with this project. The first is making sure that I just have some basic tests to verify that the site renders correctly, because no tests exist yet for it. And then the second is to make sure to add a feature to count the number of page views and then show that publicly. So I'll ask Sculptor to make these, and then we'll see once we generate suggestions if we're actually given any. And the second one, we want that page counter. And so it looks like our first task just completed, so let's go over there and have a look. So we asked for a page counter to be added to the website. So it's made a to-do list and wrote some code, so that should be good. Now we can either run the verifier to generate suggestions from the chat area right here, or by clicking this play button. And awesome, so the verifier just completed, and it's given us one suggestion. So it wants proper tests to be added to validate the page counter works as expected. This seems very reasonable and is likely something that I would ask for next, so it's good that it recommended this, so I will send that. Awesome, and it looks like the other test just completed as well, so let's have a look at this and run suggestions. And perfect, so the verifier just finished and it gave us one suggestion. So the agent claims to have created basic tests, but the test suite requires npm playwright and a browser integration to be installed before it can run. This creates a false impression that the tests are production ready when they haven't been validated. Okay, so this is a good suggestion. So we want the agent to actually run the tests now. This is often an issue with current agents, is that they'll write some tests but they won't actually run them, or they'll claim they ran them. So this will be good. So let's see if we can get it to set up the environment and then also run those tests. And so while this is running, I'm going to go back to the other one where we requested that it actually test. Alright, so now we can see that in this task where we requested the agent to test the page functionality, it tried to do some manual testing, so it tried curl, and then had an issue with that, so it tried to ping it, and then later on we see that it used curl and was actually able to get data back, and so that was sufficient validation to ensure that this functions as it anticipates. And then it documented its process there, so we have a decent amount of confidence that this worked correctly. And so now we can see the other task has completed. So let's jump on over there. And over here, remember, it wrote some tests, but it didn't actually run them. So we asked it to install npm and playwright, and then actually run those tests. So it ran those tests, and then we can see that it had some issues, so it updated the tests, and then it iterated over this over time, and we can see now that it was able to execute all of those tests correctly. So these are just a couple of examples of how suggestions can be useful. Given that suggestions have the conversation history as well as the code changes in the verifier's context, it is very powerful for checking if the agent lied, or if it didn't run tests, if it made code changes that you didn't expect, or if it implemented regressions into your code.